Welcome to our AI training program. To learn how to design your own AI, fill the form to join now.
In this training, we shall teach you how to use artificial intelligence to achieve so much in your business.
Join us and learn AI skills. Are you interested in learning about artificial intelligence and how it's transforming our world?
Do you want to gain the skills needed to design and develop your own AI-based solutions? We invite you to join us for an exciting learning opportunity holding this month end.
This month end, we are hosting a workshop on artificial intelligence skills that is open to everybody who is interested.
The workshop will cover everything on AI designs. You'll also have the opportunity to practice and apply what you learn.
The workshop will take place on Saturday, April 29, 2023, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
The workshop will be held online on our Telegram channel and all necessary materials will be provided.
This workshop is open to anyone who has an interest in artificial intelligence skills, regardless of their experience level.
So whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who is curious about artificial intelligence, you're welcome to attend.
To register for this workshop, please fill the registration form and follow the registration instructions. We will contact you afterwards.
This is a great opportunity to gain valuable skills in an exciting field in technology. See you in class.
The future of artificial intelligence is here. Learn how to use artificial intelligence tools to solve real-life problems. Join the workshop now.